Hello students, welcome in video session of your English class. In my previous video, I have recited the poem Class Discussion with the description about the poet Jervis Finn and the meaning of the poem. Today, before moving towards the summary of the poem, I want to give you all a short review of the poem Class Discussion. In the first paragraph of the poem, inside the class discussion was going on and the teacher was observing the students. Every student was participating in the class discussion, but Jane was a girl who didn't speak even a word inside the classroom. The teacher asked to the Jane that, Jane, please be clear with me. Why didn't you speak even a word inside the classroom? Is there any problem? Then, in second paragraph of the poem, Jane replied to the teacher that there are so many people in the world who didn't speak every time, who like to listen the people more rather than speaking. So Jane is also one of them and she likes to be silent. Let's see the summary of the poem. The poem is about a class that is having a discussion with their teacher. Jervis Finn is the poet of the poem. It teaches a great lesson to all. Everyone is busy discussing something or the other in the class. Now the teacher's attention goes towards Jane. She is a girl who is very quiet during this discussion. The teacher tells her that while everyone was discussing and saying something or the other, Jane was awfully quiet throughout. Then the teacher asked her the reason for her quietness. She asked her because amongst all the chatter, Jane did not say anything and was just staring at everyone in silence. The teacher asks Jane to give a plain and very clear answer. The teacher wants to know that what is the matter with Jane. After that, Jane decides to answer her teacher. She looks up at the teacher and then speaks in a very clear and low voice. She tells her that the world is full of different type of people. There are some people who prefer to stay quiet. She hints this towards her nature. Moreover, she gives a befitting reply to all. This way she proves her point and also speaks on behalf of all people. Thus, this poem tells you about the different natures of children in a subtle manner. It is a nice way to telling that everyone is different in their own way. The poem tells us that we should not judge everyone on the same parameter. We must allow everyone to be in their own way. Jane raises a voice for people that do not reply like a talk at all times. We must not expect everyone to be the same as all. Some can be quiet and some can be chatterbox. There isn't any compulsion, so we must be more accepting of everyone and treat everyone in a good manner. Let's see the conclusion of the poem. The poem is a great way of making people understand that there are different kinds of people and not everyone is alike. It throws light on the quiet people who do not prefer talking that much. Let's see the rhyming scheme of the poem. See the rhyming scheme of first paragraph. In first line, the word, the rhyming scheme of the first and second line is AA because the word and heard both are rhyming to each other. Chatter is different from word and heard, so the rhyming scheme of this line is B. Jane and plain is totally different from the word heard and chatter. So the rhyming scheme of these two lines are C and C, and the rhyming scheme of last line is B because chatter and matter is rhyming with each other. So the rhyming scheme of the first paragraph is AAB. Let's see the rhyming scheme of the second paragraph. The rhyming scheme of first line is A and the last word is spoke. Let's see the last word of the second line, that is low and not rhyming with the word spoke. So the rhyming scheme of this line is B. The word world is not rhyming with the word spoke and low. So the rhyming scheme of third line is C, but the word no is rhyming with low. So the rhyming scheme of last line is B. So the rhyming scheme of last paragraph is ABCB. That's all for today. Have a good day. Students, in the description part of the video, I have added the whole exercise of the lesson with question answer. You have to go through the description part of the video by clicking on the description point. Write all the question answers and exercise in your book neatly. Thank you.